Assalamu alaikum. I am Masud Chaudhary, ID 17101-323 from section 3. Our project is fire and smoke detector system. So in the Proteus we have used Arduino Uno, then a virtual terminal and COM physical interface module, a flame sensor and a gas sensor, and two LED light with two resistor and a servo motor. So in the figure we can see that both flame sensor and gas sensor is turned 0. So let's run it, see what happens. So when we run it, we can see that it is printing that this area is safe. That means there is no fire, and that is the flame sensor and gas sensor didn't detect anything. So it is printing that this area is safe. So if we turn the value either of the flame sensor or gas sensor to 1, then the sounder is making sound, and we can see that red LED is turned on, and it is printing that warning, please exit from this area. It is printing that please exit from this area. So that means it is telling us that the fire has been detected. Now let's go to the code. Now let's go to the code and see it. In the code we can see that in the first part this is the connection, pin connection, that is the smoke and flame is connected with the Arduino with pin numbers 9 and 10 smoke, and then we can see that the red and green LED is connected with the port 6 and 7, and the buzzer is connected with the 13 of the Arduino port. Then after this, in the void setup we can tell you that there are two input, that is smoke and flame. These two are the input, smoke and flame, and the green LED buzzer and red LED, they are the output. In the while loop we can see that the F value, this is the flame value, and S value is the smoke value. So when the S value, that is the smoke value, and flame value turned high, or either of the smoke value or flame value is turned high, that means it turned to 1, then it will print the please exit from this area, and the red LED will glow and the green LED will turn off, and the buzzer will make sound, and the motor servo will turn 180, and if both of the S value and F value is 0, then it will print the green LED will turn on, and the motor servo will write 0, and the buzzer won't make sound. So this is all from me. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Radbin Abdullah and ID 17301215. In this part of the video, I will be explaining the GUI or graphical user interface of our project in LabView. Here in the front panel, two LEDs used, which is flame and smoke LEDs, and which represents the value sent from the flame sensor and the smoke sensor. If any of the LED receive the logical high value, this LED will turn on, the fire indicator will turn in green. Here, moreover, we also use the flame and smoke thermometers, wave charts, and the table which represent the value. If I run my LabView, let's see what happens. Now we only receive the date and time, as you can see. If I run also Proteus, the virtual terminal give me the flame and smoke value 00. There is a virtual terminal is give me a 00, and none of the LEDs will light it up. Now let's make the flame sensor value is 1. You can see the flame and fire indicator turn in green, and the flame thermometers also turn on. As well as if I change the smoke sensor value is 1, the virtual terminal also give me the 1 and the flame and smoke value is turned on. Also in the table we also receive the flame and smoke value is 1. Now I move in the block diagram. Here, this two strings reader read the smoke and flame value. This pass the value to the converter, which converts the string to a number. Then we check if this value is equal to 1 or not. If it's equal to 1, then it's passed to the flame LED and also the smoke LED. Moreover, these values also pass into a OR gate, which means any of the value is 1, this fire indicator will turn on. This value also change those flame and smoke indicator and the wave charts. Finally, we pass all these value into a array and also pass the date and time string or set the waiting time is 500 milliseconds. And lastly, we make the whole process in the while loop, and this is for our virtual compose system, and that's all there is to know about our project. Thank you.